Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 20th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the US dollar Swiss 4-hour time frame, I think this is still the end of a pullback right here, which is a pullback to the last 5 waves down. We definitely made 3 waves up to the 50% fib. Now it looks like it possibly could drift up a little bit more, but even if it does, I still think there's a very good likelihood that this is going to go down, mostly because of the US dollar DXY analysis is why I am so bearish on this pair, because the DXY US dollar definitely looks like it has ended a pullback and it's back into the downtrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, the question is whether or not this is going to go up or not before it goes down. If it breaks structure to the upside, then it probably is going to make a pretty decent move up. Maybe this is like a wave A, B, C. But I don't really think I would trade according to that, and I definitely don't think I would actually even be trying to go long because it could just go up a little bit. It could make a lower high, it could make a lower high, and it could just keep on going down. If this really is the end of a wave C over here, then it probably is more likely that this will be a lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and just keep on trending down. So definitely looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.